Aston Martin you can live in. That is a tent. It folds out. It's a house. I live at #1 Aston Martin Street. This is beautiful. It looks like a shark. It looks... Oh, no. I think my air conditioning just packed up. I genuinely think it did. High engine, 10. Stop. Mine is telling me to stop immediately. Well, a lot of it can be explained by that.
Oh, look, what's that?
That's a coolant, I suspect, that's probably come out of here.
And it's weird, because it says it's hand-built.
Yeah,
Yes,
I think
exactly,
that's
done really carefully.
hand-built in England.
Hand-built in England.
That's the problem. There you go. That's why...
There it is. Well, you can't just sit there. You're going to have to get...
I'm going to have to let it cool. That's all I can do. I can't touch anything.
Yeah, but you've got to mend it.
Why
otherwise
can't
when
you
set
touch
off,
it?
it'll...
Because it's hot. This fluid that I thought was coolant from the engine that had boiled over and come out isn't engine coolant. It's actually power steering fluid. It's come out of there.